YouTube. Today we are replacing a window switch front passenger on a 2014 Honda Accord. You'll need a pry tool and a screwdriver. First, you just remove the window panel here. Using your pry tool, plastic is best. I just grabbed anything close by, fingernail clipper. You want to unsnap all of them around the back and sides. Once they're all unsnapped, pull it out. There's a plastic housing here holding the wires in. Unsnap. Put in your new switch. After removing the 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Replace your new switch to the wires. Pop back in, and then you're good to go. Put the back in first, slide it in, and then snap down. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.